Hey everyone, friends! Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to play One Block in Minecraft. You'll need a map for this. Open your browser and search for One Block Map. Go to the first Files tab and download the map. This map is for version 1.2, 1.11, in my case. Okay, we're downloading this archive file. Now let me move it to the desktop. Go to Start, type Run, open it, and type %appdata%. Click OK. Next, click on Minecraft. Here we need the saves folder. There it is. Now drag our one block map into this folder. Done. After that, just launch it in Minecraft once this process is complete. This has been Weller. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.